Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best travel card for students. Specifically the Tangerine Travel Canada card. As a beginner looking for a credit card, this tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with the basics. The Tangerine Travel Canada card is a popular choice among students due to its no foreign transaction fees, no annual fees for the primary cardholder, and a generous rewards program. This card is ideal for students who travel frequently, whether domestically or internationally, and want to earn rewards on their purchases. To apply for the Tangerine Travel Canada card, you'll need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being a Canadian resident, having a valid social insurance number, and meeting the minimum income requirements. As a student, you may need to provide proof of enrollment or a guarantor to support your application. Once you're approved, you'll receive a credit limit and can start using your card for purchases. The Tangerine Travel Canada card offers a competitive rewards program, where you can earn 2% cash back on purchases in up to 3 categories of your choice, and 0.5% cash back on all other purchases. This means you can earn significant rewards on your daily purchases, such as groceries, gas, or dining. To maximize your rewards, it's essential to choose categories that align with your spending habits. For example, if you frequently dine out or order takeout, you can choose the dining category to earn 2% cash back. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment and avoid interest charges. As a beginner, it's crucial to understand the importance of credit scores and how to maintain a healthy credit history. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, and it's used by lenders to determine your eligibility for credit. To maintain a healthy credit score, make sure to pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization ratio low, and avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period. In conclusion, the Tangerine Travel Canada card is an excellent choice for students who want a hassle-free travel card with no foreign transaction fees and a generous rewards program. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can maximize your rewards, maintain a healthy credit score, and enjoy the benefits of being a Tangerine Travel Canada cardholder. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully, and don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support team if you have any questions or concerns.